everyone, my name is Dimra. Welcome back to the channel Seller Sky. Hope you're all doing well. If you are an Amazon seller and you are running Amazon PPC ad but not sure which search term are actually working, you are not alone. A lot of sellers waste money on ads without knowing what's driving clicks and sales. That's where the Amazon search term reports come in. It show you exactly what shoppers are searching for before they land on your product. In this video, I will walk you through how to find, analyze, and use this report to improve your ads, cut unnecessary costs, and boost your sale. Let's get started. There are several ways to find the right search term for your Amazon PPC campaign. The easiest way is to check the Amazon search term report to see what shoppers are actually searching for. You can also use Amazon Auto Suggestion and Brand Analytics if you have Amazon Registry. Tell Also, you can use tools like Helium 10 and Jungle Squad help you spy on competitor keywords. Plus, checking competitor listening and use Google Trends can give you even more insight to improve your ads. The Amazon Search Term Report is the most powerful tool for discovering the exact search term queries that customers use to find your product. This report provides real-time data on how shoppers interact with your ads, which term generate the more clicks, and which one lead to the actual sale. By analyzing this data, you can use optimize your PPC campaign manager, eliminate wasteful spending, and maximize your ROI. What is search term report? The search term report in Amazon ads provide a detailed breakdown of the actual search queries that trigger your ad. It helps sellers to identify the high performing search term that drive clicks and conversions, spot irrelevant or low performing keyword that waste ad spends. It can also optimize your bids and targeting strategies to improve the ad efficiency and discover the new profitable keyword to add to the campaign. Here are multiple steps which I can guide you to access and download Amazon Search Term Report. Today, I will do it for Amazon. So simply log in into the Amazon Seller Center account. For that, open your browser, then log in into your Amazon Seller Center account. Enter your email and password to log in. In the top menu, click on the menu bar. Here you can find the report and then also the advertisement report. Here you can find the campaign manager. Also, if you have already saved it into the top bar, then simply click on it. Wait for downloading it. Then you can go into the measurement and reporting and then click on the sponsor ad report. Here you can find the create report button. Here it is. Simply click on it. In the report type section, choose a system report. Also, select the report period, last 30 days or last 60 days for better data. Or you can choose it for as much as you want. Click on the sponsor product, sponsor brand, and sponsor display which you want. Here, I can go it for the sponsor product, and then for the summary, also I can do it for the last 65 days. Don't forget to click on the save button. Then you can choose here like if you want to download it for now or future or recurring, simply click on your according to your choice. Simply click on the run report and wait for it to download. Once it's ready, click on the download. Here it shows it is pending. You can again click on the run report button, so it will show you it is completed, and then click on the download button. Once it the report is ready, it is downloaded as a CSV file as it's shown here. Open it to the Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet or any spreadsheet tools which you want. This search term report include the following columns like search term, which include the starting date, ending date, portfolio name, currency, campaign name, ad group name, targeting, also the mesh type and search term. How to use the search term report for optimizing the PPC campaign? There are further steps like high performance search term report को identify करना, sort the report by sales, highest to lowest, look for search term with the high clicks and high orders. These are the best performing keywords. High CTCR and low SUS. These are cost efficient keyword. Move these high performing system to the exact match campaign to maximize the profitability. Also, you can use it by finding new keyword to target. Some search term may not be into your current manual PPC campaign. If a search term has a good performance, add it into your keyword list. Create a new ad group for this keyword and use exact phrase match. Eliminate wasted spend by adding negative keyword. Look for search term with a high click but not sale. These keyword are not costing your money, which are good, but which keyword are costing your money without generating revenue. These are the negative keyword. Add these system as a negative keyword into your campaign second. Fourth step is adjust bids based on the performance. Lower bids on high clicks, low sales keyword to reduce the wasted spends. Increase bids on the high converting keyword to get more sales. So today video, that's wrap it. By using these simple methods, you can find the right search term, stop wasting money on the bad keyword, and get better result from your Amazon PPC ad. Just keep testing to see what's word best for your product. In this video help you, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the Sailor Sky for more easy to follow Amazon tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss the future video. Thank you for watching.